Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is factorize 4x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 plus z to the power 2 minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. So guys, let us see how we can factorize the given expression. Question has given us here this expression 4x to the power 2, 4x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 plus z to the power 2 minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Question has given us this expression and question is asking us to factorize, simply to factorize this given expression. Now guys, let us see how we can do this. So question has given us 4x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 plus z to the power 2 minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Now guys, we will be using this identity. We will use this identity to factorize this. We will use this identity. Which identity? Let's see. We will be using this identity and the identity is a plus b plus c to the power 2 is equal to, hope guys you by this time you very well know what is the expanded form of this identity. This identity is a plus b plus c to the power 2, which is a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus c to the power 2 plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is the identity that we are going to use in solving the given expression. Now guys, let us now focus on the given expression. The given expression is 4x to the power 2, 4x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 plus z to the power 2 minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. This is what the question has given us. Now guys, let us focus here on this part. From this part we could easily understand what is being given, but let us first of all focus here on this particular, on these three things. Okay, now here you could see that question has given us minus 4xy minus 2yz and plus 4xz. Now let us pick up the constant terms. Let us now pick up the constant terms. If I pick up the constant terms, here it is minus xy, or instead of constant terms I can say let us pick up the variables. So here it is minus xy, here it is minus yz, and here it is plus xz. Now looking at this and this, we can easily say that out of this, let's say this is minus xy and minus yz. This is what being given. Now if you look here, you could see that y is common. If you look here, you could see that y is common. If y is common and minus symbol is also common, negative symbol is also common, definitely this negative symbol belongs to minus y. That definitely this negative symbol belongs to minus y, or definitely this y is a negative. So we will conclude, or we'll assume that y is negative. Not assume, we are for sure that y is negative. Why? Because looking at minus xy and minus yz, we can conclude that y is common and a negative symbol is common. That means this negative symbol belongs to y. So now we got to know that y is negative. So now keeping this y as negative in mind, let us move ahead and solve the given expression. Now what I am going to do, just look here. 4x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 plus z to the power 2 minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. This is what the question has given us. Now instead of this, I can write this one as, instead of 4x to the power 2, I can write 2x to the power 2. If I write 2x to the power 2, nothing wrong is going to happen here, because 2x into 2x is 4x to the power 2. Now I can write this one as y to the power 2, and then similarly z to the power 2. Then because we are keeping this identity in mind. We are solving this one keeping this identity in mind. So you could easily compare this 2x to the power 2 is nothing but a to the power 2. This is b to the power 2 and this is c to the power 2. Now what is being left here? We require plus 2ab. So simply I will write a plus symbol and then 2ab. And guys, here this is minus y. This is minus y to the power 2 because we concluded that y is negative. So we are considering y as negative. So I have written 2x to the power 2 plus minus y to the power 2 plus z to the power 2 plus 2 and here you could see that a to the power 2 is 2x. So instead of x, because here we require 2ab, so instead of 2ab, that means here a is what is our a here? Here a is 2x. So I will write 2x here and b is minus y. So I will write simply minus y here. Now here again we require 2bc. We require here 2bc. Now what is our b? Our b is minus y. So I have written minus y here and c is z. So I have written z here. Now plus 2ac. I want 2ac here. So instead of a I can write 2x and instead of c I can write z here. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just I have replaced the values of x, y, z with a, b, c and I have tried to solve this using the identity. Now what we got here, let us see. Let us see what we have got here and let us see what is that we are looking for. Now we have used and we have got everything that is required. So here I can write 2ab and this one also plus 2bc and this one is plus 2ac. Now I can put this expression if this is a to the power, if this is a to the power 2, b to the power 2 and c this to the power 2. So I can put this expression as 2x minus y plus z to the power 2. Because this particular expression now is of the form. This particular expression is of our identity which of the form a plus b plus c to the power 2. This is what I'm writing here. This is what I'm writing here, 2x minus y plus z to the power 2, which is nothing but 2x minus y plus z into 2x minus y plus z. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to understand which identity we need to use. If we get an idea of which identity we are going to use, then definitely we can solve this without much difficulty. Then definitely we can solve this without much difficulty. But guys, still if you have any questions or doubt, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.